Hi family, Lorna here, back at you with another plant-based simple vegan recipe. Today we're going to make chickpeas hummus. This is one of my favorite dips. It's so easy. You don't have to have a specific order, just throw everything in the blender, your most powerful blender, blend it up and you're ready to go. First let me just wash my hands here, and then we can get ready. Okay, so we're going to start out with the tahini. So I'm going to put the recipe in the description box. So we're going to put the tahini in the bottom here. Just want to make sure you're seeing everything, yes, that I'm doing here. So this is the tahini. This is like roasted sesame seeds. Okay, and now I'm going to put the chickpeas. This is 2 cups of chickpeas, but again, one thing I need to point out is that if you want your hummus to be smooth, it's very smooth, you take it and see these things, you just slide them off. So if you have the time and you can sit down and just remove all of them, then your chickpea becomes, see that they all come off so easily, like how I did when I was doing the almond, for the almond butter, the way I take the skins off, that's the same way you just take them off, and then your hummus becomes very smooth. Okay, so we had that, the tahini, the chickpeas. We are now going to put the lemon juice. I have some cumin powder. This is organic cumin. There's a difference with the organic than the regular. It gives it a more smoky, very, very nice aroma. I'm putting 3 cloves of garlic. I think that's 4, but that's okay. My secret ingredient to my hummus is olives. These are some organic blonde olives. So I'm putting some olives in there. I have here some water. I have some olive oil. I have just a little pinch of cayenne pepper. Okay. Did I put lemon juice? Yes. And 1 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt. And that's it. We're going to blend that up. Okay, what I want to show you something is, see, it's not falling, see how, so you're gonna put some more water to make sure. So in the thing that has the olive oil, that's what I'm going to put the water in. Okay. You can add olive oil, but we don't want to put too much oil, so we're just going to add some more water and Just that's it. We have hummus. As easy as that. See, before I add the extra water, it wasn't running, but now let me grab a spoon here. So good. You have to give it a try. Oh my gosh, so good. The olives, when you add the olives, it gives it an extra oomph. I've done this because someone asked me to put this recipe on, but I usually do this for my farmers market every summer. So this is very special, very precious to me. So I hope that you give it a try. I hope you come back here. Tell me how it is for you. Tell me if this isn't the best hummus you have ever tasted. Please share this recipe with someone, because who wants to go and buy hummus when it's this simple to make? This is what this channel is about. Simple Life Ministry. I'm here to show you how much you can do things so easy, so simple for your health, you know, for the goodness of your body, your family, your heart. So give it a try. I promise you, I am not lying. It is so good, and I will show you some ways how. So you can just see, pour it in the bowl like so, and other ways that you could do it, you could put some olive oil all over. I don't want to put too much, but just to show you ways that you could put it on the table to dip your celery or sweet peppers. And this is some paprika. You could just put some paprika on it like so. You could also put some parsley. You know, depends on what you like. And there you have it. So I hope that you give it a try. This is one of my most well-loved, favorite, desired recipe. So give it a try. Come back here, let me know how you like it. Please like this video, share, subscribe, and come back to see what I have next prepared. Thank you for coming. Please have a blessed, simple lifestyle. Bye for now.